Hello and welcome to Panther News. My name is Javon and we're going to update you with the latest breaking news about the possible impending asteroid collision with the Earth. As you may recall, NASA named the asteroid Trasher because of the size and the potential destruction when it hits us. Trasher is approximately 1 kilometer in diameter, making it a little longer than the Rose Bowl. Because of its size and speed, traveling at 40,000 miles per hour, it will create an explosion that is 30,000 times more powerful than the atomic bomb we dropped on Japan. The impact will leave a crater or a hole in the ground that is the size of all of San Francisco, which means all of the surrounding Bay Area would be destroyed by the explosion. An impact with the ground would cause massive earthquakes, volcanoes, and a lot of materials to be exploded into the air. This would cause climate change since the sun would be blocked for a while, which would trigger a mass extinction event for many creatures, and impact in the Bay Area would most likely also result in a tsunami.
Hi, my name is Ivan and I'm going to tell you where this asteroid came from and what will happen if it hits the water. All asteroids orbit the sun, just like the planets. Most asteroids are found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. The asteroid will most likely hit in the ocean because over 70% of the Earth is water. An asteroid impact in the ocean will result in a huge tsunami that will destroy cities near the coast. It will also most likely result in earthquake as well and throwing water and material into the atmosphere, resulting in climate change and mass extinction for most creatures.
Hi, I'm Mikio, and we'll discuss our proposed solution to avoid the collision with the asteroid. As you can see in this model, the asteroid is on a collision course with Earth. If we don't do anything, their two orbits will collide, resulting in terrible destruction on Earth. Our solution is to apply a contact force to the asteroid that will change its path so that it misses the Earth. A large rocket will be launched from Earth which will dock with the asteroid. Once docked, it will apply thrust which should accelerate the asteroid. By speeding up the asteroid, its orbit will change just enough to make it miss hitting the path and avoiding mass destruction. We had to consider all of Newton's laws to find a solution to this impending collision. Since the asteroid is large, it also has a lot of mass. More mass means it also has a lot of inertia, which means it will be difficult to change its motion. Think of the asteroid as a bowling ball, and if you've ever been bowling, you know that they are difficult to stop or even change direction. A soccer ball, on the other hand, has less inertia because its mass is less.
We also had to consider the second law, force equal mass times acceleration, because the asteroid has a lot of mass which will require a greater force to accelerate it. It's similar to trying to push a car. It's easier to accelerate a ball when compared to a car. Once our rocket has docked with the asteroid, it will fire its rocket engine or thrusters and apply a large force to accelerate the asteroid. Speeding up the asteroid will change its path or orbit around the sun, which should be enough for us to avoid a collision.
We are going to also use Newton's third law. For every action, there is an equal and opposite force. When a rocket takes off, the thrust from the rocket applies a force in the opposite direction. By docking with the asteroid, the rocket becomes part of the asteroid so that when it fires its engine, the thrust will apply a force to the asteroid in the opposite direction. This will cause the asteroid to accelerate, changing its speed and orbit.
Thank you for watching our news report on Asteroid Trasher. Tune in next week for the latest developments.